I call this burger the Lord of the O-rings, and we're gonna serve it up with some oven fries. So for the oven fries, we're gonna get those into the oven immediately. The oven is preheated to 450 degrees, 8 cuts per large russet potato. So these are big jumbo-sized fries. Salt and pepper. I sprayed them with some non-aerosol cooking spray. Olive oil or vegetable oil is fine. Throw them into the oven. You're gonna cook them 45 minutes until they're super crispy and deep golden brown, and you're gonna flip them once during the cooking process. Here you go, boys. See you later. For the burgers, we've got some fries working in the back. For the burgers and the fries, we're gonna use a really cool item you can get in your grocery store. You can order it online too. Buttermilk powder. We're gonna make burgers that taste like ranch dressing, and we're going to use the powder to make a ranch coating for the fries. Nice. So we're gonna put about a cup of buttermilk powder into a big old mixing bowl to toss the fries in while they're still hot, fresh from the oven. We're also gonna sprinkle that buttermilk powder down over 2 pounds if you want 8-ounce burgers, 1.5 pounds if you'd like 6-ounce burgers of ground sirloin, 80% lean, 20% fat. We're gonna add fresh garlic to the burger. Granulated garlic into our coating for our fries. Granulated onion in both. Worcestershire sauce for the burger. Salt and pepper, of course. Come on back over here, buddies. What the heck? And a mountain of the traditional marriage of parsley dill chive burger, parsley dill chive fries. Whenever we make patties in general, you want to mix the meat, but don't over-mix it. You don't want to make the burger tight. And before you form patties, always score how many portions you would like to get out of that, okay? So by scoring it, you know you're getting just about the same portion each time you reach into your bowl. Don't form a patty and drop it in the pan and keep making patties. They should all go in at the same time, obviously, for cooking, for even cooking. Also for even cooking, always make a patty thinner at the center and thicker at the edges because burgers plump when you cook them. The reason I call this burger the Lord of the O-rings is we're gonna put beer battered onion rings on our ranch burgers as well. These are the potatoes we've had cooking. These are the wedges with just salt, pepper, and a little bit of cooking spray to help them brown. And while they're still screaming hot, how are we going to get all of that buttermilk and herb mixture to stick? Melted butter would be a delicious idea. It's like potato popcorn, really, right? Oh, just like popcorn. Yeah, baby. I know. That is ridiculous, and it should actually be illegal, but it's not. I flipped my patties, and I put 2 slices of American cheese on each of our ranch burgers. Here's how we go. On the bottom are pickles. And some lettuce. Oh, no need to make a salad. And our 2 slices of cheese ranch burger. And our stack of onion rings. And I like ketchup on my onion rings. Yeah. Yum. And then a pile of ranch fries alongside. Ta-da!